Hey. So what type of defrosting or thawing methods that you are using right now at home? Now in this Let Me Get Real with You product demo, I'm going to show you with this piece of home appliance, right? Very beginner friendly, and to compare, right, a safe and more food hygiene way of thawing your frozen meats. So here we go. Now, first up would be the room temperature way. All right. So you can see here, I have some frozen, you know, food, right? Okay, which is I'm getting it ready for my noodles shortly when I break from my intermittent fasting. You can see it's actually still frozen. It's already about an hour. And the other method that I learned from a kid when I was a kid, right, from my mom would be, to soak in some water, right, in a bucket, right. So after 1 hour of soaking, right, it's actually well, reasonably soft. It is also ready for cooking. So that is the second method, right? However, that should your packaging had already been opened, right? Some leftover, right? You took out from the freezer, then maybe this is not the method for you to use, isn't it? Because it will cause some sort of contamination with our open packaging, right? When you soak in this water here, right? So I would suggest that only use when it is, right, your packaging is totally sealed in this way of defrosting your frozen. And the third method, right, as a wellness coach, as a chef assistant in Western cuisine as well, this is a method that I would recommend using the Tjean, right, Tjean steam oven, and using the defrosting option at 45 degrees about 45 minutes later. I already done it before, recording this video. Can you see, right? It is in a more controlled and food hygiene safe kind of environment, right? Because it's enclosed. Okay, so you can see the result after 45 minutes, right? Okay, yes, it is right, totally defrosted, right? Okay, and the meat still looks pretty juicy, right? Okay, so I hope you like my product demo today using the Tjean steam oven to show you the option of thawing, the defrosting, in other words. Okay, set that preset time is 45 minutes, 45 degrees, and this is press the start button, and there you have it. That's the result after 45 minutes in a more controlled and food hygiene safe way. Okay, so this is another episode of my product demo as an affiliate marketer on TikTok, right? And if you want to grab it now with the 3 sale here, okay, I got mine at about $248. You may check out the TikTok coupon over here at this link there. And should you decided to check it out, right? Well, should you decided to check it out, yes, I am going to be very frank with you. I'm going to make a small commission from your purchase, and it is your way of showing your support for me in when I'm growing my channel, and I can continue to produce more value-adding educational content for you, especially in the context as trying to learn how to use the internet to create multiple sources of income, or you want to learn how to cook some beginner friendly and also taking care about your health benefits type of food, right? Because I am certified, right, wellness coach, and at the same time for the past 4 years I've been in a commercial kitchen, learning about as a chef assistant, learning about Western cuisine, right? So that's probably some strong reason that you can afford to spend your precious time to listen to some of my educational videos here on my TikTok channel, right? So I look forward to seeing you in my future channel, or even my live streaming, which I conducted right from time to time when I have new updates for you in regards to using the internet to create multiple sources of online income. So last but not least, don't forget to follow me so you'll be notified timely of all this content that I put out right consistently for you, right? So I'll see you in my next product video, and God bless you. I'll stay healthy always.